guys, we're back. We're doing a little MTB unboxing, so we're gonna see how this guy goes. Hopefully it's some baits we can be using. Right now I've just been slaying smallmouth around my local area. Been doing pretty good, pretty freaking good. So let's get to this unboxing here and see what we got. See what we have. There we go. Just a nice little doll. Let's see what we got inside. Pieces of paper here. We got a American, gonna guess, Catch Co sticker. Not 100%, but heck yeah, awesome sticker. That's gonna be sweet. Ooh, look like we got some liquid mayhem in this time in this bar, so that's really cool. The shad scent. So that's gonna be, that'll be a big plus for sure. Definitely be using that. Alright. Find a little piece of paper. I'll make a fast one. Smack off this. Alright guys, so once again, they've got a Lucky Craft lure that is about as much as your entry-level box at $15.99. Just one lure right here, right off the bat. So let's look and see what we got for that guy. And it's by Lucky Craft. No other Lucky Craft. This guy right here, black with some yellow spots. This is a, let's see here. Comes in the Gunfish is the name of it. It's an Archer B, 4-inch, 3/8 ounce. Not really sure how. This is like a popper. I think it's like a topwater kind of popper. So that's really cool. Heck yeah, I've been using that a little bit. Alright, next we have the Snag Proof Pro Series Tournament Frog. This little guy. Crazy looking, red and black. Haven't used frogs a whole lot. I honestly haven't thrown a whole lot of top water, so hopefully we can catch a fish on this. Next up is the Sea Spin Bocon, is what it's called. Let's see here, I wonder if I can find it here. Sea Spin. There we are. Wow, crazy looking. Almost like crawdads. Crazy looking crawdads, guys. Big old flappers for arms on them. Definitely I should be able to catch something largemouth, maybe a smallmouth on these. But yeah, we'll catch something on this. Alright, let's see here. MTB Garlic Scent. MTB Garlic Scent. Smart baits. No? There it is right there. A little tiny tube, guys. Look at this. Little tiny tube from MTB. Oh, that thing is sweet. And apparently this is garlic scent. So that's really cool. Very freaking cool. Definitely gonna be throwing that in the tackle bag, using it one of these times. That's pretty sweet. Alright, so that's the garlic scent that they're talking about. And it doesn't say cost on it, I'm guessing, because MTB probably made it. But that's really, really cool. Next is Lucky John, the pilot worm. I'm trying to guess these guys. These guys don't really tell you what worm they are or whatnot by Catchco, but these are the oh wait, here it is right here. Excuse me. So the Lucky John pilot, that's this kind of I want to say mellow, kind of shallow. Well, yeah, shallow diving, bigger crankbait. It only dives down to 2.5, 3 feet, so not super deep. Mellow looking little fella. Crazy. Yeah, looks pretty sweet. Some knockers inside of it. Definitely be throwing that around a little bit. Heck yeah. Alright, back in time, guys. Next we have the Liquid Mayhem Fish Attracting. I showed you guys that. And then we have the Mighty Minnow Smart Baits that we have in here. I showed you guys these Catchco Pro Series worms that they throw in there as well for me. That's just like a clear with a purple flake to it. Those are pretty sweet. Got kind of a ribbed tail to them. And then very last we have these color changing smart baits. I have yet to get a pack of these, and I'm super jacked I finally did. But yeah, we get some of these smart baits in there. These are Mighty Minnows. And yeah, they're a glow bait. They change different colors when they're in different water conditions, I guess. They kind of try to change colors to the water conditions, so we'll see. We'll try those guys out and see if we can catch some smallmouth on them or something. But those are pretty cool looking. Try to move them down a little bit so you guys can see them. I want to say they're the Mighty Minnows. Yeah, I believe. Yeah. Got it. So yeah. Guys, you can see them a little bit better. Kind of a black and a red right now to start with. We'll see what they turn when we throw them in the water. Activated by water temperature, smart baits, multiple color changes, and imitate live bleeding prey fish that will trigger fish to strike. We shall see. We shall see. Look like they're in a pretty good color right off the bat for me, so should be good. Alright guys, well that's gonna do it for this MTB unboxing. We definitely got some goodies, got some good stuff we'll throw around. Got that Liquid Mayhem we can put on just about anything. We can put it on stuff we're already catching fish with, so that'll help help entice the bite, I guess you would say. So heck yeah. And we got that American flag sticker just to go with it, just to tie it all together. If you guys haven't checked out Mystery Tackle Box, I will leave a link in the description. Be sure to go check those guys out. Great company. Get your subscription started and get some baits coming to your door every month. It's a good thing to do. Unfortunately, I had to pause my subscription because I am out of work, so just is what it is. Gonna try to get back on there, but you know, probably gonna be the last box for a little bit, but yep, it was fun. It's fun. It's always fun getting baits and being able to show you guys what I got and what I'm throwing and what's working. So let's get out there, guys, and catch some fish. I will see you guys on the water. That's out.